Hello, welcome to Learning Hub. Do you know about the laughing kookaburra? The kookaburra's call, a sound so grand. The kookaburra laughs from high in the trees. Its call echoes through the breeze. With a sound like laughter, loud and clear, it lets the forest know it's near. The kookaburra laugh isn't just for fun. It's how they talk when the day's begun. To claim their space, their call rings loud, echoing high above the crowd. The kookaburra's laugh isn't just for fun. It's how they talk when the day's begun. To claim their space, their call rings loud, echoing high above the crowd. The laughing kookaburra calls so bright, echoing through the morning light. With a voice like laughter, full of cheer, it's a sound that everyone can hear. In the wild they laugh to say, "This is my place, come what may," communicating with friends nearby. Their laughter fills the sky. From tree to tree their voices sing, a joyful call the kookaburra brings. With every laugh they make it known, the forest is their happy home. Kookaburras laugh both day and night, sharing their song with all in sight. A chorus of nature's own sweet sound in the land where kookaburras abound. So when you hear that laughing call, remember the kookaburra standing tall. With joy and laughter in the air, their calls spread everywhere. The